Revive your SIM card, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to talk about a common but frustrating issue, an unusable SIM card. Sometimes, your SIM card may stop working for no apparent reason. But don't panic, there are a few steps you can take to fix the problem. Let's dive in.
What causes a SIM card to become unusable?
To address the problem effectively, it's good to understand the causes. A SIM card might become unusable due to a number of reasons like physical damage, exposure to water, outdated software, or network issues.
Checking the basics.
Before proceeding with more complex steps, let's check the basics. Ensure that your phone is compatible with the SIM card and your network provider. Also, check if your SIM card is properly inserted into your phone. If these aren't the issues, proceed to the next section.
Cleaning the SIM card.
Dirt or debris on your SIM card can prevent it from functioning. To clean it, 1. Turn off your phone and remove the SIM card. 2. Use a soft cloth to gently clean the SIM card. 3. Put the SIM card back in your phone and turn it on to check if the issue is resolved.
Updating your phone's software.
Outdated software can sometimes cause issues with your SIM card. To update your phone's software, 1. Ensure your phone is connected to the internet. 2. Go to your phone's settings and find the Update Software option. 3. If an update is available, download and install it.
Contacting your network provider.
If none of the above steps work, the issue might be with your network provider or the SIM card itself might be damaged. Contact your network provider's customer service for assistance. They might need to replace your SIM card. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you to repair your unusable SIM card. If all else fails, remember that you can always get a new SIM card from your network provider. Thank you for watching, and keep troubleshooting.